before the sun begins its fight, a gentle drizzle starts to fall across this silent, empty hall. The forklift sleeps, a metal ghost beneath the sodium's lonely host. Bay door waits, a gaping maw, obeying some unspoken law. But oh, the hum, a steady sound, where orange light is all around. A quiet hymn, a subtle plea, just for the world and just for me. Shine on the wet concrete, I'm on shift again. Shine on the wet concrete, my lonely watch to 10. Shine on the wet concrete, a warm and steady friend. Each tiny drop a silver tear, reflecting light, dispelling fear. No other soul for 50 are just broken dreams and playing cards. A fortune dealt in shades of gray, waiting for the break of day. This single point of vibrant hue, keeping vigil strong and true. And still the hum, a steady sound, where orange light is all around. A quiet hymn, a subtle plea, just for the world and just for me. Shine on the wet concrete, I'm on shift again. Shine on the wet concrete, my lonely watch to 10. Shine on the wet concrete, a warm and steady friend. A sudden gust of metal sigh, the bay door rattles passing by. A fleeting sound, then silence deep, while all the world is fast asleep. On the wet concrete, I'm on shift again. Shine on the wet concrete, my lonely watch to 10. Shine on the wet concrete, a warm and steady friend.